Tmdc Dental College was started during the academic year 1990-91, and from then till now we have come a long way. We offer BDS and MDS courses in different specialties in dentistry. The specialty of this institution is that we have senior and experienced staff in all the departments to handle the students and to teach them in the laboratory, theory classes, and to give them adequate clinical training.
I am Dr. Kumar and I head the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology. Oral Medicine and Radiology is the third and final year subject, and undergraduates come for their postings, and during house agency they start with Oral Medicine and Radiology. And we have the latest of equipment to teach them the art of oral diagnosis as well as radiographic techniques. We have the latest in digital radiology as well as extraoral equipment like a 100 mm machine. The postgraduates have training elsewhere. We send them outside to major hospitals for training as well. And I am confident that the training that they receive will be able to make them to utilize opportunities which are increasing in the field of maxillofacial radiology elsewhere in the world.
Department of Periodontics. Here we treat all the gum disorders. We all know like mouth is the mirror of the body, and when you see the paper nowadays, like everywhere you can see the relationship between the mouth and the various disorders like premature delivery, respiratory disorders, and even the myocardial infarction. All the common term is heart attack. We have both UG and PG in our department. Here the UGs get to recognize the various gum disorders, and we guide them while they are treating the patients. In PGs, we have extraordinary newer developments with relevant to implants, lasers, and also regenerative surgeries. I would like to again emphasize and conclude that dentists here, even if in other specialties, they come over here and observe the patients over here, and they try to gain the knowledge from periodontology.
Welcome to the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at Tmdc Dental College. This is the main backbone for both the academic as well as the clinical expertise which a student will learn once he joins our college. We are proud to share with you that we are one of the most premier departments in the country, mainly because of the following facts. Number one, our preclinical lab is a fully equipped lab with individual typhodont training for each student once he comes. Added to this, the high teacher-student ratio makes it an ideal platform for any student to learn. The biggest plus point of being in this department is this is one of the very few colleges in our country which allows a student, undergraduate student, to do root canal treatments as well as composite clinical work on patients, thus making them fully qualified to go out and practice it well. Our department has all the latest international equipments including microscopes, lasers, ultrasonic tips, and individualized cabins with networking, as you can see around, along with digital X-rays, which makes the whole student, the clinical experience at par with the best in international standards.
The main objective of our institution is to give adequate clinical training to the students so that they can continue with their practice or higher education once they leave our institution. To assist us in our objective, we have senior and experienced staff in all the departments of dentistry.
Public health dentistry is one of the branch in dentistry. It is generally about a patient education and motivation, as well as to give a free treatment for the poor and the needy persons. We have a mobile van where we'll conduct a dental camps for the poor person, as well as we'll do a free treatment as a free of cost.
I'm Dr. Ratika Rai, Professor and Head of the Department of Prosthodontics. Prosthodontics is basically the department which deals with the replacement of missing teeth and its associated structures with different types of processes. Since our department is mainly a laboratory-oriented department where we need a support of a good laboratory, the laboratory is well equipped with simplest instrument to the most sophisticated stereo microscope to a dual processing ceramic furnace. We do all kind of restorations right from ceramic, metal-free ceramics, all-free ceramics, or even to the extent of implant retained restorations. So the department is now aiming at getting more precision, more state of advanced equipments, and trying to train our students to give the best treatment possible to the patients, and that is the goal that we look forward in achieving in the coming years.
As far as student training is concerned, in addition to concentration on academic activities, they are also encouraged to participate in sports and cultural activities so that there is holistic training. Far more importantly, we mentor the students in such a way so that they are thoroughbred professionals and will become good human beings in life.
Thai Mogambique Dental College and Hospital, Faculty of Dental Sciences,